friends, today I'm going to do a review on this nail drill that was sent to me by ALIPRET, and I am going to open it with you guys on camera. We're going to try it out. It's not a drill that I've heard a ton about, so I thought it would be a good one to review. It is on Amazon, so I will definitely link it down below and you can look into it if there's something you're interested in. So let's go ahead and open it. If you hear some background noise, I apologize. It's nap time, so my baby is sleeping, but my animals are here and my husband's here, and let's just see what happens. So this is the manual that comes with it. So I'll have to look at that. And then let's get in. This looks like it's the machine. So it's not huge. It's actually really petite, which I love. It does have a dial that you can adjust the speed on. It's got the on-off switch over here and the reverse and the forward switch over here. There's a foot pedal, maybe, looks like, or maybe the option of a foot pedal, and a hand piece slot. And then here is the power cord slot. All right, this is probably the hand piece. Ignore my hand. I scraped it yesterday. Okay, so here's the hand piece. It's a little heavier, but it's not too bad. So the drill that I've been using is the one that I showed you guys in a previous video. It's already died. So that's all I'm comparing it to right now. So this would be like a step up from that, I would assume. And yeah, so it's got a substantialness to it, so it's not like you feel like you're going to throw it, but it's not too heavy either. It's a nice size. It's a really nice size, actually. I feel like it's not too small and it's not too big. I have a little bit of a larger hand, so I don't want something that's too petite because then I feel like I'm gripping it too hard. So this is a nice size for me. So you have the lock and unlock for the bit. So I'll take the shaft out. There we go. So they always say to store these with their shafts just to protect it. So you have the shaft that comes out. I'll put it back in for now until I can get a bit in there. And then it just locks back in. So that's a nice feature that the other one didn't have. The other one I had to just pull extremely hard and it was very difficult to get out. Okay. And then in this box, oops, let's open up and see what's in here. All right, so it looks like we get some sanding bands. Let me open these and see what they are. I feel like a fine grit. So that's nice. Here's the power cord. It's just your standard power cord. It does come with a blue dusting brush. I have a pink one, I don't have a blue one. So that's nice. I like those. I've said that before, but you can never have too many dust brushes. Then you get the drills, or not the drills, the bits that come with almost every drill. I think it's pretty standard, these drill bits. And yeah, they look exactly like the ones I already have. So there's those. And they're all diamond bits, plus the mandrel bit. And then you also get the 2 coarse, medium, and fine grit. You get 2 of each of those. Here's the foot pedal. I've never tried a foot pedal. I am a sewer, so I might actually like a foot pedal. We'll see. And then this is the rest for your hand piece. Or the nice thing about this is your hand piece can also go right in the top. So I'm gonna put it together and then we will test it out. Okay, so I've got it all set up. The handpiece is in here, and I don't have the foot pedal hooked up yet just because I want to make sure that I try this way first, because I know most people don't probably prefer the foot pedal. I think there are people out there that use it and like it though, so I'm gonna try it and see. So let's see, I'm just going to put it at 0, make sure it's turned to 0. There's an on-off switch. I'm going to remove the shaft, and I am going to put in, I bought a Pana carbide bit to remove my poly gel. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. And it works. Okay. I'm gonna season my carbide bit because it's new. Okay. And oh, right now it's in reverse and forward. I am left-handed, so I'm gonna put it in reversed. In reverse. So that's how it sounds. Let me show you. This is extremely quiet compared to my last one, you guys. It seems like it's got a lot of torque. I'm gonna season my bit here. To season it, you just kind of stomp it on a file. All right. So it's not really slowing down any. It's doing a great job. So this, I am removing dip powder, so it's a lot like acrylic, works just like acrylic. So I have it set at 15, actually I have it set at, 15,000 RPMs right now. And it is removing it, no problem. I do have poly gel nails underneath this, so I don't have to worry about getting too low. So I will say this drill does not have a ton of vibration. It is actually a huge improvement from my last drill. My last drill, it would shake my hand so bad that my hand would just start to hurt. This one, you know, as much as I grind and drill, there's a little vibration, but it's not horrendous. Here, let me just show you. You can kind of hear it on the table if there's any much vibration. So the last one kind of bounced almost. This one, I mean, you can hear it's on a glass tabletop, and that's all the vibration we're getting. So it's really not a bad amount of vibration at all. It's great. Okay, I'm gonna hook up my foot pedal, and I'm going to see how I like using a foot pedal. Okay, so to use the foot pedal, it's gotta be in the off position, and then you need to choose your direction, and you hold it down, and that will start it and stop it. So basically it just turns it on and turns it off, which is kind of a nice feature. So let me try it and see what I think. this back so I don't get dust in it. I actually really like the foot pedal, you guys. Is it necessary? No, but it's kind of a fun feature. I don't actually mind it so much, just because it's kind of nice to be able to just shut it off without having to, especially when you're doing your own nails. Otherwise, I'd have to use this hand with the hand piece. I don't know, there's just risk involved in that. So instead of having to reach over to shut it off, I can just lift my foot off the pedal. So that's just something that is personal preference, but I like it. And I think this is a stinking good drill, especially, and maybe not, I don't know. I don't have like a fancy efile to compare it to. But if I am comparing it to the file that I had before, the drill that I had before, this is a huge upgrade. And it's a super affordable drill. I would definitely recommend this drill for especially beginners or people who are looking for that next level up. This is a fantastic drill. I love that it's small. It can just sit right on your desk and not take up a ton of space. You do have this piece if you want to let it down, or you can just set it in there. Yeah, this is a great drill. I love this drill. So definitely recommend.